Hey tech fans! Foxconn and Nvidia are teaming up to unleash humanoid robots by 2026, and they're about to revolutionize AI manufacturing. Is this the future of tech? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the wildest tech news. Let's dive into this sci-fi level scoop. Foxconn and Nvidia are joining forces to bring humanoid robots to a cutting-edge AI server factory in Houston, Texas, set to open in early 2026. These robots will help build Nvidia's GB300 AI servers, powering the next generation of AI supercomputers. This could be a world first for robot-driven production lines. Want the details? Keep watching. Foxconn's training these human-like robots to tackle complex tasks, like assembling Nvidia's AI servers. According to Foxconn's robotics boss Leo Guo, the robots will come with legs or wheels being the cheaper option. They're designed for precision and efficiency, and Foxconn's showing off 2 models at their annual tech event this November. Sounds like something out of a movie, right? The Houston plant was picked for its shiny new facilities and wide open space, perfect for deploying robots. Nvidia announced plans in April to build AI manufacturing sites in Texas with Foxconn and Wistron, aiming to start production in 12 to 15 months. By early 2026, these robots could be running the show, making Nvidia's AI tech faster and smarter. Is this the start of a robot takeover? This partnership is huge. Humanoid robots on production lines could redefine manufacturing, cutting costs, and boosting efficiency for AI supercomputers. Foxconn's expertise and Nvidia's AI dominance make this a powerhouse collab. With the robots debuting at Foxconn's November event, the hype's building fast. Are we ready for factories run by robots? Foxconn's November showcase will give us our first look at these robots, and by 2026, they'll be hard at work in Houston. This could set a new standard for AI-driven manufacturing. Are you excited for humanoid robots, or a bit spooked by the future? Drop your take below. That's the scoop on Foxconn and Nvidia's humanoid robot revolution. Are you hyped for these AI-powered bots, or curious about their November reveal? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more updates.